no. Kateren. Kateren. The dapor liwan ate sa so liwan. You know, this is the Mahatma Gandhi Road. This is the MG Road. This is the straight. You know, guys, if you saw my face, if I was, if my camera was here, was recording my face, I'm so happy right now, guys. Not even. Oh, dang, dude! You saw that, guys? Woo! You saw that one red car there? It's a Porche. I'll go back. I'll go back. Oh, what the heck? Look at that one. That is maybe a Mecan or a yellow color. Oh, super nice. Now I'm searching a spot for a parking area. I don't know where should I park my bike. Finally, guys, right now at MG Road. You know, Porche MG Road, search for parking. So still not get for parking. Then I went to that St. Patrick. So in St. Patrick, I got a parking spot. It's a pay and park. Still there. Then I'll take some photos. Then I'll show you which car is that. They are in the highway. They are on the main road. So MG pilot dawan di sini ate you tu perlu ko lai langap khasom te dawan gi ate sini on ki wan sini MG Road di MG Road. But so once again we'll have some more fun. Right now I'm on the main road. You know, अभी थोड़ा थक गया हूँ मैं. Look, that is the car. So I'll take some more of that one there, one more and then. Huh? Cái vi đang ăn đeo cái vi. First I will go there. There's one more there. It's you know, that is this is a Cayman. This is a Porche Cayman. There's one more red color there. I'll go there once. Sorry guys, I forgot to record when I was sitting up because I do shot, I take video with my phone and take photo with this at the same time. So I forgot to on my GoPro, you know, because I just reached here, then the owner came and take the car. So don't skip the video, just watch it. I have to do it very fast so I can get some fit. But I saw all is left is to show you guys. But if you want to see that car, so please subscribe. Then don't skip the video, watch till the end. So okay, I got some shot. I'll show you. So if you are watching, don't skip, please like the video, share to your friend also. Share yogi. How come and enjoy Bangalore. This is, you know, just enjoy, purely fun. I take a multi-shot. I'll go from that side so I can get I'll take from different angle. Take the shot. You know, this place is it's always busy, this area here. Every time you came here, it's always a lot of people will be there. That is a Starbucks. Let's take those. Look, this one is nice one. A walker. One is here that I just BLR. You saw that boat there on the top. It was. This is I'll take a shot. This is the classic bar here in this area. You know that one guy walking there wrong. He just here last week he saw me, so he showed me that. I'll take that. So this is the guy. This is Ferrari. Enor da aslam ham yo semua yang mirip. Mang ni yo semua. Islam ham yo semua di sini dah. Mang semua di sini dia. Tanpa orang stem so. Dia cross liang ha stay. H&M Tower. Look, this is I'll take a high shot. This is nice, I think. This is nice. This is the pet shop. So let's see. Take this. I'll just one more. सुपर
व्हाट्सएप में सेंड
ठीक है एक सिंगल
वो गरुड़ा माल आता है
हाँ
माल
बड़ा अच्छा ऐसा फेस दिस साइड तो इस साइड में कहाँ
बिड़ व्हाट्सएप सेंड में व्हाट्सएप में नंबर 86
मेरा यूट्यूब है वो सब्सक्राइब इधर है
हाँ 58
हाँ मैं सब्सक्राइब
कर लिया यूट्यूब ने सब्सक्राइब
हाँ मैं वो
हाँ वीडियो में जाता है सब्सक्राइब
हाँ सर फोटो में का नाले बेचना
हाँ
टुमारो आई विल सेंड इट
फोटो सेंड करो
हाँ शेयर कर मेरे को मैसेज करना
हाँ मैसेज
नाम
नेम इधे इधे इब्बर वन ड्यू व्हाट्सएप सेंड
ठीक है सर नाइस टू मीट यू
नेम
ओही या अनिल
वीरेश
हाँ वीरेश
हाँ
ओके वीरेश एंड ओके I just got I take free photo then they subscribe my channel bro that is good business I'm happy now I'll take that building photos. have some. I use a 50mm lens. That is nice spot to take photograph, bro. That is. But I need an empty road with a person walk on that. So that is not possible. That is nice. I'll wish those people they will come by. Farm. Taxi tour. Take a pic. Oh, that is fun. That one is. Rexton. I'll take. Again, this place. This is. I like this place. I like this one. Oh, custom, he is coming right now. Kata one custom sini deh. Di channel power ada mio. Oh, ngarapau deh her metro deh. Nanti buat hina her metro lah mio. Pajak stage perang stage amma yom mio. Bina power deh. Kata, di channel custom mio.
Finally.
Finally we met.
Finally we met.
Yo, he's here also. He's
Been 2 weeks.
He's doing vlog. He also doing vlog. Finally, I met Kaswam. So here he came alone. One Chinese man over
Street photography.
This is Kaswam. So please go to his channel and subscribe to his channel. See something about you. About.
Okay.
How are you, Ray?
What I say is you all should take care of yourself, not everybody else watching. You should take care of yourself. Be mindful of what. I'm Salon, after come.
I'm Salon. I'm Salon. Buram car, I'm come.
Condor ini ya, katanya.
Oh, katanya condor sao.
He's gonna, he's gonna condor me right now.
Right now, right here.
Right here, right now.
I'll take. Bro, that guy is blocked out of the way, bro. I got you, Kaswam. I got his photo, bro. Look, it is nice. Guys, in every video, whenever I went to MG Road, I always told that if you are here in MG Road, let me know in the comment down section that you are here in MG Road. I will take free photo of you, bro. Anyone down here, let me know in the comment section. Or DM me on Instagram also. I'll.
Timi kami na may style may kami tu style giwat. Itu giwa. Kamu kayak itu cuma sur paling seru nih. Itu bawa printer nih condor. Dia mencondorin printernya.
Update printer nih.
Angkat tu
Start your shit. Start your shit.
Yang may kamu tu bro. Hai ko condor ni dah. Kamu condor gikon na yang condor ni kamu tu na. Yang repio eki nam.
Bro.
Yeah.
Share ki. Mana teh menong tu nih apa dah kenai pi. Mana ada condor gi bro. Dah share pi. Don't worry, I'll share it to you. Your photo is your photo, not mine. I'll give it to you only for free. I don't charge money for that, bro. Yang teman yo bang, yang ada ya kan? Yang apa teman?
Because I want to have different looks
With
at different times.
You know, Bây giờ khá xóm vô phiêu. Mình sẽ hạt tấm anh nào rồi mà tại mình tấm anh đều. With the mind is better than without the mind. Such man. I'm telling the truth. You know, with the mind वो best बंद दिखता है mind. अच्छा है लेकिन teman yang mana orang gigi? With the mind is he look way better. He look like a Buddha.
Kena ini temannya sih kamu dobor kejak.
Kejak si arpesan lepersan boy chong boy bor hau teman như mỏ.
Mana teman besar senyau duk kita main rambak kejak.
Ah, duk. Hah? Look, he's doing push up.
जिम कर रहे भाई
1 2 3.
It's very nice. Very good at push up. Muscle.
यूट्यूबर है भाई, बड़े फेमस यूट्यूबर है, सब लोग चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो। कहाँ से हो?
मेघालय।
मेघालय शिलोंग
से।
मकरवाट पता है?
हाँ, मकरवाट चेरापूंजी सारा।
हाँ, मकरवाट में मेरा दोस्त रहता है।
वो ऐसा
गया है मकरवाट,
गया था उधर।
अभी फिर से भी जाएगा दिसंबर में।
हाँ, अच्छा ही जगह है।
मेघालय भाई पूरे इंडिया में बेस्ट प्लेस है, वो पता है? थाईलैंड जैसा है, थाईलैंड जैसा।
हाँ, डाउकी गया था।
खाली पुलिस रोड गया, शिलोंग का मेन पुलिस रोड है ना,
हाँ,
उधर गया। मकरवाट का एक ही दिन था, फिर निकल के आ गया। इधर भी गया।
ऐसा जब टाइम मिलेगा मैं उधर डाउकी में स्नोपडेंग उधर भी जाएगा। उधर भी बहुत मस्त जगह है।
Clear water, you can see.
हाँ, मैं देखा है, मैं यूट्यूब पे देखते रहता है।
हाँ,
अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है,
बहुत अच्छा जगह है उधर। मैं गया था उधर, मस्त जगह है। सारा
बेंगलोर कैसा है?
सारा गया है, सारा
नहीं जाएगा, दिसंबर में जाएगा।
जाएगा। हाँ,
कैसा है बेंगलोर, कैसा है?
बेंगलोर अच्छा है, इधर भी अच्छा है।
Bangalore भी ऐसा है, different vibes है।
हाँ हाँ,
इधर भी अलग है, उधर अलग है, लेकिन इधर भी बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है यार।
इधर अच्छा लग रहा है ना?
हाँ, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा
Channel push लियो।
हाँ, उसको डालो, डालो उसको।
है। हाँ,
Channel आपका दिखाओ, channel कब डालोगे?
ठीक है।
दिखा दो चैनल आपका, सब्सक्राइब करेगा बच्चा।
गॉट न्यू फ्रेंड।
सब्सक्राइब करो जी चैनल को।
हाँ, सब्सक्राइब करो। और एक इस माय न्यू फ्रेंड। So if you come here, then go and buy his shoe. All this चप्पल क्या चाहिए इधर मिलेगा देख। और चप्पल, लेडीज चप्पल।
हाँ, everything here is for ladies only.
Ladies only.
Yeah. No.
Oh, describe me deh. Pakai myo me sa.
MU
Cina lah.
Ini perempulit lah.
Ini kena yo. We just met this guy here on the MG Road. So katanya rau sok ada yang di kerau memang kerau itu. Ngayung kan sahabat empor parah sahabat jerong ada t-shirt. Bahkan ini orang belum tahu apa mau. Lah. Hello guys, today we'll end the vlog now here only. So we are heading back home now. Kata lah cha parking li thok gari chai, kata la price thing ka khne je khang parking ni. Ne kata price thing duk gari than yo datang liwan. The see you one day. All you have to do is just to subscribe. After subscribe, share. After you share, then green. Yeah. All you have to do is subscribe, then share to your friend. Then let me know in the comment section if you are here in Bangalore. So we'll going out together, collapse. So I think that's all. Now kaswam. Ante aku rijan matu.
Bye.
Bye. All you have to do is subscribe.
Love. All you have to do is love.
Yes, show some love. Because you know we love you too. We love you, you love me. I love you. We love together. That's all. Okay, bye. We'll see you next video.